So we have here LRC5, the Leather Detailer Spray. It's like a cleaner and protector all in one. Obviously we've got a perforation here, and then we've got standard pigmented leather here. So what we're going to do, first of all, this has just here, this little piece of plastic that sticks down. We need to push that, can either push that left or right to open it up so that the trigger can move, because in its straight position, the trigger is clearly locked, so it can't be opened, which we do for transportation. So just move either to the left or the right, and your trigger is open and movable. So you'd use a LRC red applicator pad, spray into the red applicator pad, as you can clearly see, spray into the pad, and you're going to very, very carefully just rub that over the surface like so. Just massage it into the leather in a circular motion. Once you've got most of that massaged in, what you then do with your perforation is, rather than having loads of it on here and then putting it on here, which is going to clog up and go into the holes, you'd very, very gently just go over the surface like so with the balance that's left on your cloth. It's as simple as that, and just literally just gently wipe that into the surface of the perforation, because what you don't want to do is to start filling up the perforation with loads of cleaner and protector and things that you then got to try to get out of there, because it's just going to be unsightly once it's dried. So again, just spray on another amount for the bolster on the other side, like so, and just massage it in to the leather. Circular motion, straight lines, doesn't really particularly matter which way you go, just give it a good rub in, and that's going to clean and protect as it goes. And again, onto your perforation, and just simply wipe over the balance that's left there to help with the cleaning and protection of your leather. The fantastic product is LRC5. It actually has a beautiful leather aroma to it, so it can instill the sort of leather smell back into your item again. Once you can sort of see the item is sort of drying, as you can see, you can go over it and just simply buff the surface like so, just to sort of lock the protection in and seal it all up and protect the leather from stains and spills and stuff like that. Simple as that. Very easy product to use. Can be used on all types of leathers apart from suede and nubuck. It's ideal for anilines, pigmented, faux leathers, vegan leathers, anything like that that's a fake material or a genuine leather item, your two-tones, your waxy pull-ups, your pigmented, any of those types of leathers it'll work on perfectly. It'll also work on vinyl, to be fair, perfectly works on vinyl. And that's all you've got to do to protect the surface. That feels now beautiful, smoky, silky smooth. And the leather aroma smells great. It's absolutely fantastic, beautiful, antique leather smell back into there again with the LRC5 Detailer Spray. And I mean, as you can see, it's left a beautiful, nice matte finish on the surface. Doesn't create a shine or anything like that. Beautiful matte finish left on the surface of your leather item. LRC5 Leather Detailer Spray.